everyone, welcome to the channel and welcome to the farm. So today I've got a little project that I'm going to start working on. In the process of clearing this site for the building, we've cut down a couple of maple trees, and I've got a whole pile of maple logs here. Sorry, the wind noise became a little bit too much there. I am not wanting to cut up all these logs into firewood. To me, that would be a waste. There are some pieces that will become firewood, like this pile right here will. Some of this is going to become scrag block, which to those who don't know what scrag block is, it's basically the inner pieces of pallet lumber. There's a local mill up the road that buys short chunks, usually 42 to 48 inches, and will turn it into pallet lumber. So I'm going to sell some of it for that. None of these logs are really big enough to sell to the local mill that cuts ties and boards. And if they are large enough, you're really not going to get that much money out of them. So to me, it would be kind of a waste to do it with that option anyway. So what am I going to do with them? To me, the greatest value of this would be to get lumber out of it. I have a couple different chainsaw mills, a couple different size chainsaw mills. I've got a few projects that I would like to do, so the ultimate for me would be to get some lumber out of this that I can use, and to get some slabs out of this that in the future I can use for some woodworking projects. I might do a part 2 of this video also and hand mill some of these short pieces back at the workshop. Okay, that's enough talking. Let's mill some lumber and stick around to the end, and we'll be milling up some slabs.
We'll call that the ugly box. I'll let my wife come up with a name for that box.
Well, if you made it up to this point, I appreciate you watching. I think I'm going to stop this one here, and I'll continue on with a part 2 where I'm doing nothing but slabbing out the rest of these logs. So, once again, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you want. I need subscribers. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Share the video if you want. If you are subscribed, ring the bell for notifications, and I'll see you on the next one, where we'll do just nothing but straight up slabbing. Have a good day, guys, and I'll see you.